to let go of all of the nonsense that you.
Good morning. Today I'm heading up the rock in Gibraltar. It's going to be an interesting experience, including animals and some historic sites, and then I'll check out the city's old town and I'll share what I find.
I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I'm not you.
If you don't want to buy a ticket to all of the attractions at the top of the rock, the return cable car ticket is £17.
Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now.
Prepare yourself for lots of bumps. It kind of hits the sides all the way up. Beside the entry to the restaurant and bar at the top of the cable car, you'll see this unassuming little set of stairs. Go through here and you'll find a fantastic view.
You can really appreciate how small but strategically important Gibraltar is from this vantage point.
If you catch one of the first cable cars in the morning, you'll arrive when they're feeding the baboons, and apparently they're less aggressive in the morning because they've got full bellies and they're quite happy. So have a look. I just learned an interesting lesson. So if you buy the cable car ticket by itself, it's a private company and you can only really hang out at the building. If you want to even just walk down the path, not even go into the attractions like the caves and stuff, you literally cannot go down the path without the reserve ticket, which is a separate ticket that you can buy at the cable car station. So that's £13.
You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, right, right.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Till one day a young man catches fire.
Anyway, it was time for lunch.
When you're entering and leaving the Kasbah, you have to watch your head because it's in a really cool kind of cave-like structure.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders.
You wouldn't really feel like you were in a British territory unless it rained during your holidays. So, in true British tradition, it's raining today. I've had a lovely clear morning. It's lunchtime now and it started raining while I was having lunch, so not to worry. I'm going to see if the museum is open and enjoy some activity indoors. I was just walking down one of the main streets and it's still raining, and I was walking past all these adorable couples huddled together, snuggling under shared umbrellas, and it makes me really miss my husband. I wish he was traveling with me. There's a romantic side to rain that we never really think about until we're alone.
Let's go with a big bunny! A big bunny! Let's go! Shoulder up! Left 10! Into 5! Quick march!
Well, that was random.
Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense.
This museum has a diversity of exhibits. It's got a couple of really cool videos as well playing. There's some old school British sort of propaganda style videos that are really interesting from back in the early 1900s and mid 1900s. It's also got some Moorish baths in the basement, and you can go in and have a look at these old well-preserved traditional baths. There's a bathhouse down there. The other things you'll find include natural history and archaeological features. You're not allowed to take video or photos inside, that's fine, but on the whole I think for £5 it's great value and it's really worth having a look inside, especially if it's a rainy day.
You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, right, right. Right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
Thanks for watching. Next time, I actually have a good day on the bike.